What's up guys, your girl beautybyadaa here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do this two feeding braids tutorial. So here I will be starting off with my detangler. I'll be detangling her hair to make it easier. This is a 4C hair, and I'll be detangling the hair to make it easier for me to comb out and start my braiding. And down here I'll be using my shine and jam, my braiding hair, just the normal stuffs I use for my hair and nothing much. So here I'll be parting the hair into two. I'll be dividing this hair into two equal parts, then applying my shine and jam to make my lines very neat. So after that, you want to go ahead and then pack one side of the hair and then start with the one left. And then I'll be adding my products, the shine and jam, to the hair to make it easier for me to make it easier to lay down, and so you can get your braiding straight. So I'm using this brush to smoothen everything out. I just want this hair to like lay down. So guys, I don't really need to talk much. I already have so many feeding braid tutorials on my channel. So this is not like a feeding braid tutorial, but just how to do the two feeding braid tutorial. So if you want to see the step-by-step on how I do feeding braid, I have so many videos on my channel that I have already taught how to do the feeding braids. So you just watch and learn. I won't be doing more talking on this video, so you guys just sit back and relax, watch my video. So as you're going, you want to be combing it out to make everything blend with your braiding hair, so it doesn't just stick out like that. Like, you want everything to blend in, make everything blend, comb it out so it just blends in. And also remember to like apply your product. That's the shine and jam that I use. You apply that product, it makes the hair lay down so you can easily, so your braids will be neater. So as I'm going, you can see me trying to straighten out the hair so I don't have any difficulty in tucking it in. You have to like tuck it in, straight it out, comb it, do whatever you can. That hair must be laid down. So after this one, I'll be speeding the other part up so we can get to it. I'm practically doing the same thing I did on the other side to this side too. So it's just the same time, it's the same thing, you all, like, it's the same thing. And after that, you want to go over with your brush and make that, smoothing it out, apply my mousse and put on the head wrap, dip it in hot water, and my head is set. My hair is set. Thank you guys for watching. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys like my videos. Share my video and please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.